Morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day here in Drummond's, Tennessee. No ice, no broken limbs anymore. Took care of that as soon as we got home from Phoenix. I am out here in the shop getting ready to head towards Gainesville and the Gator Nationals. So, we will drive the toter home to Gainesville with our stacker trailer in tow, and that means get all of the pit vehicles ready to go. And I don't know what it is, but you leave stuff setting, it just don't seem to want to start. So what have I been doing? Getting the old Honda Ruckus ready to go, getting the golf cart ready to go. It didn't want to start. Have not touched the old KLX 110 at all yet. I know every year, even though I drain the carburetor and run it out of fuel, do all the things that you should do, I always seem to end up taking the carburetor off. The Ruckus, pretty simple, battery charge. Donna needed a new horn. Got that going. Pain in the butt, because the horn is underneath here. Had to put a new switch in, new horn, run some wires. But I know a lot of you are wondering, what is happening with Baby D? Well, let's just put it this way. Everybody knows the supply chain right now is not good. We have parts ordered that have not shown up. We do have some pieces here. Got more Moog items for the front suspension, but right there, I have not even opened it yet. Straight from Moser Engineering, a set of rear brakes for Baby D. I have talked to Mr. Mike Copeland at Arrington Performance. They are working on the engine for Baby D. And truth is, I probably will not get a lot done because I got to get this fleet of pit vehicles going for Gainesville. Gainesville's always fun. It's the Gator Nationals, one of the, what do they call that? What's that word? The crown jewels of drag racing. I have been in that final a couple times, have lost it. The last time, I think I lost it by 0.005 of a second. Really, really close race. I love going there. Also love these bigger tire, the bigger tire for Baby D. Certainly love the wheels. I'm getting sidetracked. All right, folks. Got to go to work. Oh, I also got to put a headlight in the toter home. Man, look at that baby shine. All right, enough talking. I am scooter, golf cart, little dirt bike mechanic. Got to get to work. Let's do it. Okay. A few hours later, the old KLX 110 fired up, running, fresh oil, fresh filter. The Honda Ruckus fired up, running. I had changed the oil in it towards the end of the year. The golf cart, horn's working, showed you that earlier. Now over here, checking things out on the old toter home with this big old C12 Cat. All you guys out there in the big truck world, I don't know a whole lot about it, but what I do know is I just put a headlight in. Couldn't believe all the dirt daubers and stuff behind the old headlight bucket there. Just checking this thing out, getting ready to go. What else did I do? I also have came over, fixed a marker light on the stacker and got that going. Couldn't find one that was exactly the same, but this kind of bugs me, so I had a round one, I put a square one, which leaves a little exposed vinyl out of spot. But making our way through the day. Donna is packing and loading stuff in the trailer, getting ready to go. We're getting there. Checking them things off the list. Hot diggity. No scooters, no golf carts. But what we do have is some Baby D. Look at this nice setup for the rear brakes for Baby D that's the folks at Moser Engineering sent. Pretty cool. Got these cool looking red calipers. So I gotta admit, I didn't do the YouTube unboxing thing, but I did go ahead and, man, just look at that. That looks cool. Baby D got some brakes. It's not all really on there, but I gotta tell the truth. I know race car stuff, but what I don't know is emergency brake. Kind of feel like an idiot. I knew Moser was sending me brakes, but I didn't know that they would come with emergency brake. Guess what I did? Yeah. Cut the brake cable off. The emergency brake cable. I know it can be replaced, but it sure would have been easier if I would have just left it alone. But I didn't. But I do know that this stuff from Moser is really nice. Willwood brakes, big old brake. Yeah, I'm new to this. I know they're out there, and I know they work on the inside of the rotor there. But I just know I'm through with pit vehicles and playing with Baby D a little bit. It's kind of been my day. Oh, and loading stuff. Lots of stuff Donna had for me to load. I'll show y'all in a bit. All right, I have climbed in the top of the trailer, and up here you can see there's Millie. She's trying to figure out where she's hearing me at. In the top of the stacker, we've got the Honda Ruckus, the dirt bike, the golf cart, and that's what goes on the lift inside the trailer. Up here, there is stuff that y'all ask about a lot, and we're working on it, guys, but all these boxes, all these totes, that is merchandise. Our merchandise is available at the racetrack, and I get questions all the time, where's the link, blah, 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 blah. So we're working on it. I don't know how deep I want to get into this, but essentially I have done it before and people end up getting mad because they'll order something, pay for it, and I'm on the road for, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes 4 weeks at a time. And I start getting, messages, I bought my stuff, where's it at? And so I just kind of quit doing it. But it will be available through Hot Rod Randy's, which is Bo Butner's fiance. If y'all follow NHRA Drag Racing, Bo Butner's Pro Stock World Champion. They will be carrying our merchandise on their trailer at the racetrack. And I know y'all are looking at this. This is the old style Stomp shirt. That won't be on there, but some other Stomp on the Loud Pedal shirts, some hoodies, sweatshirts. Give Randy a little time. The website is new. She has not got the merchandise because I have it here. And there you go. That's a longer-winded explanation as to people asking about merchandise. Top of the trailer. Dog pads, carpet for the dog pen, kennel, which we rarely use, couple of empty jugs in case we need some diesel or whatever, and our pit vehicles. These pit vehicles, obviously I go to a lot of races that we are not in the toter home. At those events, I really don't use a pit vehicle because I'm pretty much concentrated at the race trailer, and I walk to my rental car and head to the hotel. When I'm in the toter home, they typically park us a little ways away, and Donna rides the golf cart, I ride the Honda Ruckus. or the little KLX 110. Either way, I am so sorry for rambling on and there's no action in this video. It has been maintenance on everything. So that's just part of in between races, getting ready to take the toter home on the road for the first time this year. Ain't that right, Millie girl? Ain't that right, Millie girl? Yep, sun's down. Mini Cooper is in the trailer. Everything is loaded with the exception of me, my clothes, Donna, the dogs. We are going to head out in the morning and head for Gainesville. Obviously, you guys will come along with me. And I know this is probably the boringest video I've ever done, but I just wanted to share what kind of what goes on when we get ready to hit the road. The first one of the year is always a little more work. Again, just the maintenance and all that sort of stuff. So I did mess around with Baby D very little. Showed you I got the back brakes on that side. I also got them on this side. I still love the little emergency brake. That's pretty cool. Guys, appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, sharing. And I will see you when I'm behind the wheel of the toter home. See you in the next one.